Nimbus Notes is a powerful note-taking app with 6 amazing features. It is cross-platform on Android, iOS, macOS, and Windows. With Nimbus Notes, you can take basic text notes, you can create tasks / to-do list, and you can create and edit tables. With Nimbus Notes, you can insert attachments such as PDF and Microsoft Word files. Nimbus Notes has powerful search features, including tags and OCR to help you find your data. Nimbus Notes offers basic collaboration tools, such as sending a link to notes and creating a password for those notes. Nimbus Notes import options include Evernote's proprietary Emacs files, HTML, Microsoft Word, and PDF. Export options include PDF and HTML, with all attachments in a readable format. Overall, Nimbus Notes is a great option for anyone who needs a powerful yet flexible note-taking app that offers a wide range of features to help them stay organized and productive. I give Nimbus Notes a solid 4.5 stars out of 5. If you like this review of Nimbus Notes, please consider smashing that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.